In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a checkbox in Excel. If you've ever added checkboxes to track tasks or create simple forms, you'll know they can outstay their welcome. Removing them is quick once you know the exact keys and clicks to use, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you don't accidentally erase the wrong thing. First, start by clicking the cell that contains the checkbox you want to remove. Aim to select the cell itself, not to edit inside it. A quick way to check you're not in edit mode is to look for a blinking cursor in the cell or the formula bar. If you see one, press Escape or Enter to exit, then click the cell again. If your sheet is dense, zoom in slightly so you can make a precise click without selecting nearby content. Now, here's the key part. Don't press Backspace. Instead, press the Delete key on your keyboard. In Excel, Backspace primarily clears the contents of a cell, like text or numbers, but it doesn't remove objects that sit on top of the grid, such as checkboxes, shapes, or images. The Delete key, on the other hand, can remove those objects when they're targeted by your selection. If you're on a laptop where the Delete key isn't obvious, look for a key labeled del, or try using the function modifier like fn plus delete. If nothing happens after pressing delete, make sure you're not editing the cell and try clicking the checkbox area once more before pressing delete again. There's also another straightforward way to remove a checkbox. Right-click it and choose Delete from the menu. To do this reliably, move your pointer over the checkbox until you're near its edge, then right-click. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works as a right-click. If the menu you see looks like a standard cell menu rather than options for the object, click a little closer to the checkbox border and try again. When the correct context menu appears, select Delete, and the checkbox will be removed from your sheet. If you delete the wrong item by accident, don't worry. Immediately use Undo with Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on a Mac to bring it back. That's all there is to it. Click the cell, press Delete, not Backspace, or right-click the checkbox and choose Delete, and your worksheet is clean again. Thanks for watching, and enjoy keeping your Excel sheets tidy and under control.